Alright, today I'm going to show you um, how you can Powerclip using Pixellab on your smartphone. Alright, so the first thing to do is to open your Pixellab application. Alright, so if you want to change the background, you go to the background editing tool, choose any color of your choice, or you can as well import images from your smartphone as your background. Alright, so the next thing to do is to add a shape. Alright, so let's choose this shape. Okay, you can increase the size of the shape, and if you want the shape to be at the center, instead of just assuming, you could just click on the object editing tool, click on relative position. You can position it down, up, so you can just navigate through. So it's at the center now. So now that I want to Powerclip into this image, click on the image, then still on the image editing tool, click on texture. So when you click on texture, you choose an image from the gallery. Alright, so you're going to choose an image. Alright, okay, now you are going to crop the image in such a way that the image will be at the center, because you may not have the luxury you have maybe when you're using CorelDRAW. So make sure the image is cropped properly. The resolution of this image is not too large, so but I think we can manage it. So I click OK. You see the image is at the center. You see, so when you enable maintain ratio, it will help you better. It's going to make the image fitting automatically into your shape. So this is how you can Powerclip using your Pixellab application. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials.